Alright, we're going to work on the MX80 Magneto. When I got the bike, I couldn't get any spark out of it, so we'll replace some parts in here and see if that helps any. So, got the old condenser. Still got the little Mitsubishi logo on it. Guessing it's original, 46 years old. So we just got a new one. And we got the old point. I would guess it's original too. Got a new one to replace that. We got the original coil. Clean it up a little bit. Throw it back in there. Then we got the Magneto plate. We cleaned it up. Look pretty shiny now. It's gonna look pretty good in there when it's all said and done. Also, this little connector here on the old condenser. I think I'm gonna try to just make a new one for the new condenser out of one of these little wire terminals. So let's get into this. I'll show you what I'm working with here. So this was that original piece. I just made the hole a little bigger, rounded it up a little bit. Looks like it's pretty close now. It's got to fit over this little bolt. Looks like it'll do that just fine. pretty good. Quick change of plans. I was originally going to use this to get all these wires connected. It's literally just the end of one of these eyelet connectors. I just cut it off, shaped it up a little bit. But changed my mind. Took the core out of a butt connector. I think I'm going to use that instead. I think it's going to give me a little better connection. Let everything slide inside of it, and then put some heat shrink over it. Hopefully it works out. I mean, see if I can find the one that was on it. This is what was on it originally. Not much there. So, should work out. It's pretty solid. Not the prettiest, but I think it'll do the job for us. Alright, so we finished up putting all the new components back on this Magneto. I think it turned out pretty good. Let's slide it back in here, see what it's going to look like. So there it is, back in the motor after we got done placing the condenser point. Reinstalled the source coil, then we reran all the wiring. I think that'll hopefully fix our spark problem. Anyways, that's a Another task completed on the MX80. Keep knocking them out, getting closer every day to maybe getting this thing back up and running. Anyways, thanks for hanging out, and I'll catch you guys next time.